because the video had 1k views, that was amounting to overall revenue. I know this is a whole lot, but you are going to have to bear with me. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maimuna, popularly known as Black Arab. Today's video we're going to be talking about how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views on a video. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this video is a vlog I uploaded sometimes in June, and yeah, let's go into the analytics. It is a vlog. It's a weekly vlog of things I did in a week. Let's start with the views. The views is 1.0k views. That's 1k views. The watch hour is 78.2 watch hour. Subscriber from 1,000 views is what? 2 subscribers. I was just able to get 2 subscribers, and the impression is 18.1k impression. The impression click through rate is 4.3. Yeah, the unique viewer 812 people came to watch it, and average view duration, so people watched till 4.38. That makes sense, because some videos are like 2 points, but this one is like 4 minutes into. That's good. I kept them hooked till 4 minutes, even if it's a 16 minutes video, but that's by the way. The returning viewers is 558. Top geographical location for this video is Nigeria, which is 51.7%. United States is 5.3. United Kingdom is 2.2. South Africa and the likes. South Africa is 1.2 and the likes. The amount of people that are subscribed to the channel that watched the video is 63.0, and the people that are not subscribed, that's like new viewers, they are 37.0. The females are more than the male, of course. The females are 96.6 and the males are 3.4. Why? And then for the revenue, how much advertisers are willing to pay, you should know already. That's the word CPM is $3.94 and the RPM, that's how much I'll be taking home, is $1.33. And because the video had 1k views, that was amounting to overall revenue $1.34. That's how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. And imagine if I had more views, the money is going to be more than this. So this part I want to talk about, the earnings by ad type, is going to make me compare this particular video we just talked about with another video, and that video is just like 5 minutes long. This one is 16 minutes long, and the reason being that this one I was able to put ads. There was an avenue for ads placement, right? For the one that was not up to 8 minutes, that's 5 minutes, I was not able to, there was no avenue for that, right? So the earnings is going to be very minimal to a video that has 8 minutes upwards. So now for the earnings by ad type, the skippable video ads that you watch and you can skip when you're done is 60%. The bumper ad is 22%. The display ad is 11%, and non-skippable ad, there's some ads that will just play and you have to wait for it to be done, is 6.8. Let's go to the one that is also 1,000, but it is just 5 minutes long. I'm going to be going straight to the skippable and non-skippable part, so we'll just dive right into it. For the skippable video ads is 49.3. The one of 16 is 60.3. The display here is 23.3. Bumper ad 17. Non-skippable 9.5. If you also notice, even if you're not able to place ads on your video, or you as a non-monetized channel, you see that if you're watching your videos, or if you do watch your videos, you see that you can also see ads at the middle of your video, or even the beginning or the end. That's because YouTube is going to place ad regardless. So those are these display ads, bumper ads, all these non-skippable ads, or the skippable ads, or whatever. So the point is, even if your video is not up to 8 minutes, you are also going to make money, but you're not going to make money from ad placement. So now for this particular video, the view is 1K, the watch hour is 32.0 watch hour, the subscriber nothing. I was not able to get any subscriber from this video. The revenue from this video, even without being able to place ads, the CPM is 2.23, the RPM is 0.59, and the view 1000, right? So I was able to make in total 0.57. I serious like say no, I want to talk better thing. The revenue is 0.57, and that's because, to my best of knowledge, is the video is not more than 8 minutes. So I was not able to play ads. So I was not able to generate enough money, because with this amount of views, I am supposed to be able to have made 1 point something dollars. Do you get? Because I was not able to do that, the advertisers are not willing to pay enough, because the video, they are not able to place ads. So their YouTube will have to look for other means. That's the non-skippable ads, the bumper ads, and all of that, and then they will generate your revenue from that. So that's why the CPM is this low. The CPM is 2.3, because if you go to the revenue source of this particular video, it is just from two sources. That's watch page ads, and that was like 0.57 cents, and YouTube Premium 0.0002. So YouTube Premium also help if you are. I've never done it. I don't know if I'll try it, but I think I'll try it, because when you use YouTube Premium, there are like ads revenue you can make from YouTube Premium. Do you get? And I think the major reason is because I was not able to place ads on the video. So it is always good that you make your video longer than 8 minutes, or at least 8 minutes, so that way you're able to place ads and you're able to make money off of that. I hope you're able to learn 1 or 2 things, because this video is talking about how much you can make for videos that are more than 8 minutes and for videos that are less than 8 minutes. That's for videos you can place ads on and videos you can't place ads on. So thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. If you enjoyed what I've said, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when next I post any new video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ooh, my back aches, and I don't know if you like my mic, but I don't know if this is going to be like the usual setup, because this vibe is vibing, but this does not even make. I want to be like, oh yeah, let me take Tom's name like this, but whoever is gonna see this is gonna be like, huh? So I think I'll just do like this, right? And I'll do like this. No, I don't need to put anything, or I'll just take my videos. So let me just pause this. Bye.